Hi there, I am Victor and welcome to 5 Minute Lessons. This is a special episode of our program called Presented by Student for Students. This program hopes to motivate students to learn, allow them to share what they have learned, and make them inspire other students to do the same. In our previous episode, we had an overview of Google Drive. Go to this link to watch that episode. For today's episode, our guest is Myron. He was one of my advisory students last semester. He's one of the most active students in our class, especially in joining school academic competitions. What is remarkable with him is he is wise beyond his years. He decides objectively and maturely thinks of the effects of his actions. Today he's going to share how to personalize Gmail and create filters to search specific messages. He is also going to demo how to apply visual star icons to organize relevant messages. He is going to tell us the relevance of labels in Gmail, how to create it, move messages into it, and delete it. Now, without further ado, here's Myron.
Good day everyone, I'm Myron and I'm going to discuss some tips on how to use Gmail. So let's start. First, I'm going to show you how to personalize the format of your Gmail inbox. So press the gear icon right here, then go to inbox type. First type is a default. The default has tabs like this here. The primary, which are person-to-person conversations, to social from social networking sites, then promotion that are marketing emails. You can customize these tabs. Just press customize right here. Next is the important first. So it shows emails that are marked as important with an icon like this. So next is the unread first. So these are emails that are not yet open. Then start first. These are emails that has been marked with an icon like this with the star. Priority inbox is the combination of the last three types. So you can see important and unread and starred, then everything else. But you can customize it right here. Just press customize. For multiple inboxes, except our primary inbox, we can see the other labels right here. For example, you can see the trash, the starred, the sent, then our primary inbox. You can customize what you want to see right here. Just press customize. Now I'm going to show you how to create filter for messages. The easiest way to make a filter is press the drop down button right here, then fill up the necessary information that you want, and press create filter right here. But if you want it to be more specific, like for me, I'm going to choose this, then press this more icon right here and filter messages like this. Now it'll show the email address that sent you that email. Then press create filter, then mark the boxes that you want. For me, I'm going to mark skip the inbox, apply the label. I'm going to make a new label for it. And we can also apply it to 5 matching conversations, which means they are existing messages. So create filter. So you can see Google Forms right here are moved to this label. Now I'm going to show you how to put visual star icon on relevant messages. So just press the star icon right here, like that. So these two emails are already starred. So if you press this, it will show the emails that I marked as starred. Now I'm going to show you how to create some labels. So first, go right here, then press more, then scroll down, then press create new label. Then press a label name. For example, Twitter. So now I'm going to move messages to that label. For example, I'm going to mark this right here. I'm going to mark this 4, then press move to and Twitter. As you can see, it is in this label right there. Now I'm going to show you how to delete the label that we made. Now first, pick a label right here. For example, Twitter, then press the more icon right here. Then press remove label. As you can see, the label has been removed. Now I'm going to show you how to search Gmail for anything. Now first, press this drop down button right here and fill up the following criteria. For me, I'm going to find an email that I forgot where it came from but has these words on it. For example, survey like that. Then search. As you can see, it showed the email that has a word survey on it right there. Then that's it, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Myron. I'm sure our viewers have gotten tips on how they can manage their messages in Gmail. Before we end this video tutorial, I would also like to share 2 tips on using Gmail. Here is tip number 1. Let's say you typed in your message and pressed the send button. But you realize that you haven't attached any documents yet. Gmail by default allows you to unsend message within 5 seconds after pressing the send button. But don't you know that we can extend that 5 seconds so we have more time to undo the sending of messages? Here's how to increase the time of the cancellation period. Go to the settings gear symbol at the upper right side of the page. Click and select See All Settings. Under the General tab, find Undo Send. Here, you may choose up to 30 seconds. Go to the bottom of the screen and select Save Changes. Now, every time you send a message, you will be given by Gmail 30 seconds to undo the sending of that message. Now, here's tip number 2. For example, you have an important matter to attend to and you can't answer email on that date. You may enable Gmail's automatic responder feature. To do that, simply go to the upper right corner of your screen and select the Settings gear symbol. Then select See All Settings. Under General tab, scroll down and find Vacation Responder. To enable this feature, simply select the radio button Vacation Responder on. For the first day, let's say this is on the 23rd of July. And then for the last day, let's say I will be out of office until July 30. For the subject, let's say I'm on leave. For the message, I am asking them to contact the school principal if their concern is urgent. Once you're done, simply click Save Changes. That's how simple we enable autoresponder. I hope those tips will help you on using Gmail. Again, I would like to thank Myron for joining me today. For questions or any feedback, kindly write on the comment section below. Please like and share this video so others will know how useful Gmail is. Again, this is Victor from 5 Minute Lessons. Thank you all for watching.